Looking for the best milling machines? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 milling machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Shop, Fox 6-inch by 21-inch mill and drill. A top quality machine built for small to mid-level jobs. Brushless DC motor provides smooth operation and is fairly quiet at low speeds. If you are looking for the best machine for mid-range jobs, this model is an excellent choice. Pricey for a smaller model. Doesn't include power feed, which will add more to the cost if you need to purchase this component. At number 2. Proxxon, Micro Mill MF70. A rugged mill built for hobbyists and smaller jobs. Jewelry makers love its control and precision for intricate work. An affordable choice for hobbyists. Well made for various small tasks. Occasionally vibrates. Not intended for heavy-duty jobs or milling bulky materials. At number 1. Jet, 230-volt machine. Good range of head and table travel. Large table supports 400 pounds. A few valuable extras. A bench drill design with a surprising capacity. Not the cheapest, but the best value for the money. Head rotates 360 degrees but does not tilt. Stand not included. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.